Today we'll be learning how to make hummingbird nectar. First, you'll need to boil some water. I'm using filtered water, and I'm using a water boiling kettle. The hummingbird nectar ratio is 4 parts water to 1 part cane sugar. Be sure to only use pure cane sugar. Do not use brown sugar and do not use powdered sugar. You will also need a container to store the hummingbird nectar, measuring cup, and a stirring spoon. I am using 2 mason jars, a 1/3 measuring cup, and just a regular spoon. I'll be using 2/3 cup of sugar for each mason jar.
I can fix it.
And adding 2 2/3 cup of water to each mason jar. Now we can stir in completely to dissolve all the sugar. Now we have our hummingbird nectar. We're going to set it aside and let it cool. But first, I'm going to add some ice cubes to help it cool down quicker. Nectar cool down to room temperature before adding it to the hummingbird feeders outside. Before adding the new nectar to the hummingbird feeder, we're going to clean the inside out with hot water and clean the outside with hot water and remove any dirt and debris.